Hello, my name is Paulina, and today I will talk about the comparative advantage. Adam Smith absolute advantage theory, as well as David Ricardo comparative advantage theory, state that international trade could be mutually beneficent for the countries that make trade in presence of absolute advantage of any good, or at least if there is a comparative advantage. By adding social indifference curves by country and production possibilities, frontier insight and general equilibrium diagram, which we call international Edgeworth box. So we show that the former statement is true in the case in which both countries have roughly the same size and that have absolute advantage in the production of one good. Nevertheless, things get complicated when countries have comparative advantage, but not absolute. If we add a difference in the size of a country, it is absolutely necessary to rethink the classical theory of international trade, since from the approach of pure theory, there are not elements that exist mutually beneficent in interchange between countries. An everyday example of this is, for example, Jake. He is an employee person who has a plenty of free time but doesn't have money. So Jake needs to live from his neighbor's charity or mercy. One day Jake gets a job and doesn't need to live from his neighbor's charity anymore. Jake started to trade the free time for the money. Another example of this is, for example, the United States. Let's say the United States, they take 1 unit of labor to create a computer and 1 unit of labor to create a shirt. But for example, to Mexico, who is the neighbor's country for the United States, to create a computer for Mexico takes 12 units of labor. And to create a shirt takes 2 units of labor. So 1 and 1 for United States, 12 and 2 for Mexico. And if we can see, the United States has a great advantage if we compare with Mexico. But to create 1 unit more of a computer or a shirt for the United States takes 1 unit of labor, which means that a computer and a shirt means the same if we count the units of labor. But if we go to Mexico, it doesn't count the same. It costs different. We have 12 to develop a computer, to create a computer, and to produce a computer, and we need only 2 units of labor to create a shirt. So if we, in the United States, we need to create a computer, we need to use 1 unit of labor more, which means the same to computer and shirt. But in Mexico, we need 12 to create a computer and 2 to create a shirt. So we go, a shirt in the United States costs the same in unit of labor, but in Mexico costs different. So for the United States, it's better to trade with them the shirts. Thank you.